We know from previous birthday parties.
Yeah, I remember that.
Make a wish.
Make a what?
Make a wish.
Hey, can you wash your hands?
My hands are clean.
Let me cleanse.
That's funny.
Okay, ready.
Yay!
Let me eat. Can you pick it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
What you
right.
got? That's a blood cake. The chocolate, my good, delicious.
That's delicious.
Yummy.
You.
You're welcome. We had a few no-shows.
Had that before. He has 6 stars.
I paid for 8 kids and 8 adults. We only got 2 kids.
Wait a minute. That's a black
Okay,
chocolate
is
milk.
that, you want that one?
Milk chocolate milk. That's a star milk.
Looks like the street's a little messy here.
Can I get
Y'all
more?
want one?
I will go get my chutney.
Do you want one?
Oh, forget you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank
That's
you.
me. That's me.
Thank you for joining our party.
You need a napkin, Cameron?
We need a washcloth. But you're gonna eat yours?
There's some napkins right there on the
Here we
table.
go. We have to open.
We will open that when we get to Nana's house, okay?
Open the cake so after you eat some and shut.